Welcome back to CFL SMS Solutions. Today we're going to be looking at some of the really advanced features available within the platform. Today we're going to create a one-off discount voucher for a fictitious coffee shop by way of using an example. So to create your voucher, we need to click on ticketing. Again, this is part of the advanced features within the platform, which is an upgrade. So click on new. I'm going to give our ticket a name. In this case, call it coffee discount. We've then got a load of options that we need to kind of work through, so it is quite an advanced feature and it does need a little bit of thinking about, possibly a little bit of pre-planning as well. To keep it simple for this demo, I will be doing other demos for how to create other options within this tool, but today I'm going to keep it relatively simple. So it's going to be a single use voucher, which means it's only going to be available once, so the redemption on it can only be used once within store. It's not like a loyalty scheme where it can be used maybe 3 or 4 times before you then dished it with a free coffee or something, or a discount or whatever. I'm going to send it to existing accounts. I've already created the group coffee voucher. The code it's going to store for use in the voucher is going to be saved within custom one. So if you've got your database in your group with 1,000 contacts on there, you don't have to spend the time creating the actual numbers and the codes, etc. The platform's going to do that automatically and start it within custom one against each of your contacts' name. And I'm going to leave over our existing data with the code as yes. Continue. So we're now actually into the design phase. As you can see, it's a WYSIWYG type of approach, which is probably what you come to used to when using the platform. I'm going to call it Glyn's Coffee Shop. So as you can tell, it populates and adds the text straight into the preview browsers over here. Now, because this is using things like passbook and mobile wallet, etc., it has to be in a certain format in order for your Apple phone or your Android phone to read it. So there's a certain amount of customization you can do, but it has to, as you can tell, as I'm clicking on these various areas here, it has to sort of stay in a certain place. So in terms of choose a logo, I'm going to pick something that's more coffee related. As you can see, it's populated it there, and we're just going to fill these in as we go along. Again, this is purely for example purposes, and so you people that are more far more creative than myself will be able to come up with better ideas, but it's just purely for demo purposes. As you can see, within the WYSIWYG, it's already created all the unique codes and a barcode and everything else that you can then be used when you come into the coffee shop in this case, and it can be scanned and then the code is automatically allocated and a discount is applied. Okay, I'm quite happy with that as it stands at the moment. So at the top you have a choice in terms of what functionality you want to build into the voucher as it appears on the phone. So you can actually take off if you want the wallet side of things, or if you don't need the QR code or the barcode. I tend to feel that if you've got all these options available and they're already on the voucher, it makes it easy for them to be redeemed. Okay, so we've added some general text on there. Click on continue. Okay, the wallet side is something that you're able to actually store these offline and store them on the actual phone, so you can create and design your own wallet template, which I'm just going to do that now. Okay, so what you would do is design a new wallet template and it would automatically save it. I've created this one earlier just for ease, but you would do it in the same way as you would for when you're designing the actual voucher scheme. Okay, happy with that. Now you can put an expiry date on this, but because this is going out to a group, and my group is, I'm looking to encourage people to come in, I might decide to actually put the expiry date after Christmas. If I'm feeling stingy. And you can set up additional rules and rewards, and you can really pad these kind of vouchers out and make them really sort of more engaging. So as you can tell, that was fairly straightforward to put together, but we are just doing a single discount voucher in this particular example, just to give you a feel for how quick you can kind of whiz through the process for creating one. We are going to do more demos into the more advanced things, so I'm quite happy with that. I'm going to send to group. I've already chosen the group, which is coffee voucher. I can then do the usual things in terms of customizing a sender name. So I'm going to add a sender name. Coffee. I might add a little bit more to the message, so I can put hi. Merge fields as usual. Happy with that. I don't think I need to add anything else. It's automatically populated the ticket link on there, and what I will do, I'm going to send this to the group of which I'm part of that group, and I will do a screenshot or a couple of screenshots to show you what that journey looks like at the end of the demonstration. Okay, so let's send the message. Check everything's okay. So as you can see, in this situation, it's populated my name for the merge fields. Quite happy with that. It's using 1 credit. Send the message. And the message is gone. Okay, so that's kind of a starter session on the advanced features of creating tickets and vouchers, just to kind of get you started. Please jump in, get yourself an account set up, come on board and start playing around with some of these features. If you need to upgrade to the advanced features, speak to your account manager, and because it's really where the platform starts to zing when you start delving into a lot of these advanced features, and it's brilliant in terms of engagement with your customers, and hopefully you can see the benefit of that with the demo. So thank you for joining me today. Okay, so I've done some screenshots of how the journey looks like for the voucher scheme, and this first screen here shows that without my phone actually being open and active, as you're aware, messages appear straight onto your home screen, which is amazing when you think about how quickly people open that when messages appears like that. Once I've gone into it, I've gone into my messages, it's come up as Glyn's Coffee. I click on the link, and that's how it presents itself. I can then tap and load the preview, click on the preview, and hey presto, there's a voucher scheme ready to use, and all totally on the back of one text being sent out. So thank you for that, and feel free to add any comments or get in touch.